Did you know? Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. A snail can sleep for up to 3 years. The tongue of a blue whale is so big that 50 people could stand on it. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. Please like and share.